Today we're going to be making roasted side dishes. So the first thing we're going to do today is we're going to make some sliced potato wedges. And you want to make sure that you wash your potatoes. We're going to make some wedges, some roasted sides. So today's video is about roasted sides. And I did wash all my potatoes. This makes a lot of potato wedges. Okay, we're going to make these with just about what everyone has in their kitchen. We're going to use about a tablespoon of garlic powder. About a tablespoon of onion powder. We're going to give these a lot of flavor. Let's see, a teaspoon of pepper and maybe a teaspoon of salt. We might need a little bit more. And a couple tablespoons of olive oil. And we're just going to start coating them, start tossing it around. And you can use your favorite seasonings, whatever that might be. Oh, I found a really big one that I kind of need to chop up. Okay, these are just simple, easy side recipes that you can make for just pennies. And then if it looks like it's not coated enough for you, you might want to coat it a little bit more. I am going to add one of my favorite seasonings, and that is the Kinder. You can use whatever you like. So we're going to use about a tablespoon of the Kinders. And whatever kind of seasoning that you like, you make sure you use. And if you just want salt and pepper, olive oil, that's fine too. Okay. Wow, these are looking fantastic. Okay, now we're going to get out a pan. Okay, so we are just going to start taking our potatoes. I've got me a sheet pan right here, and I'm just going to lay my potatoes out. Now this can go great with any dish you make. Honestly, it goes great with steak. It goes great with chicken, beef, pork, whatever you want to use these potatoes for, they will go great with. And your house will smell amazing. I told you this makes a huge, huge pan of potatoes. So you can invite your neighbors over, or your kids, or your mama, your daddy, your grandma, anybody you want. I got a little Bam Bam hairdo on today. Look at that, 425 degrees. See, that was nothing. That was quick and easy. I'm gonna put these in a 425 degree oven for about 30 minutes, and we'll check them from there. Okay guys, we are making the simplest side that I can possibly make, that I really think my grandchildren could make this. So the first thing we're going to do is take some frozen vegetables, and we're just going to put them on a sheet pan. I think there's broccoli, carrots, cauliflower. Just throw them on a pan. So simple and easy. I'm going to add some olive oil. We didn't even have to spray the pan because we're adding olive oil. We're going to add some pepper. I would say probably 2 teaspoons of pepper. We're going to give these vegetables some flavor. And about a teaspoon of salt. We can always add salt later. And all we're going to do is mix them up. So it was probably about probably about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And I love this vegetable medley mix. It's a lot cheaper and it stays fresh because it's frozen. Okay, we're going to stick this in the oven, 425 degrees for the same amount of time as those potatoes, about 20 to 30 minutes. I just use the California blend, so you can get that at Walmart, any grocery store, just a California frozen blend. So this is our last side dish. 3 easy, simple, they were so quick. I gotta use my cutting gloves for these. I have been cutting my hand a little too much lately. Okay, we're gonna just peel us some onions. Now this is absolutely my favorite side dish. My favorite side dish. We want these cut about 1 inch thick. We're gonna leave these just like this. Okay, we're just gonna set these right on our sheet pan, just like that. Thank you, Regina, for my gloves. I keep cutting my hands, and I said, I need to use the gloves, not just for my grater, but anything. Okay, just gonna set these right on there. Some of them might be that size, some of them might not be. All right, they're just gonna be, I guess they just kind of look like big onion chunks. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, these are just simple sides that you can make during the week in the oven for your family. And I know children don't like onions, but give it a shot. And we're just going to take and sprinkle on a little bit of olive oil on each one, just a touch, and then we're going to rub it in. Just going to rub it in just like that. And we do want these to brown a little bit, kind of caramelize. They're looking good, but we got another trick. Okay, what we're gonna add is just a little teaspoon of sugar to all of this. Just take a little teaspoon and just kind of put some sugar on it, just about a teaspoon of sugar. That's it. All right, so we are gonna put this right in our 425 degree oven for the same amount of time. Okay, we're gonna check on our potatoes, and they are piping hot. Doesn't take long. Wow, look at those. Oh, look at that, 30 minutes, guys, 30 minutes. Wow. I think my husband's gonna love, love, love these. I took these out of the oven, and we are just gonna kind of stir them around. But 425 is such a great, especially frozen ones, because it'll start as they melt and as they unfreeze, all that water goes to the bottom, and the 425 will start soaking up that water and getting rid of it. Okay guys, we got our beautiful potatoes out of the oven. They are gorgeous. Look at those caramelized onions and our roasted vegetables. I'm gonna stir up our vegetables. We're gonna leave these just the way they are. They're gonna have plenty of flavor, just as our side dish. All right, let's Let's check on these onions. And they are not burnt. It's just that little bit of sugar on the pan. They're caramelized, but they are not burnt. And I'm just going to serve these on a little platter. You can just take these right up. Dish that is so perfect for any kind of steak or beef. Oh my gosh. Look at those. Oh my gosh. I saved me one. Just gonna pop them right in our dish. These are healthy side dishes that are inexpensive. You're getting plenty of vegetables, plenty of flavor. And my dog is over here hoping I will drop something like a carrot. So we have our side of roasted vegetables, our roasted onions. Now let's get those potatoes. And they're so hot. Y'all, you gotta make these side dishes. Simple, easy, budget friendly, and taste so good.